Today we're going to be changing a driver's side interior door handle on a 96 Ford Explorer. In this step, I'm going to demonstrate the tools and supplies required in order to change our interior door handle. First and foremost, what I have here in the package is a new door handle. This guy brand new was $17, used was $10. So as you can see, it's not really worth going with one that's used. It may be, however, in your application. I have also in front of me my standard and metric socket set. There's going to be a few bolts we need to deal with when removing our door handle. I have a 5-way for door skin disassembly. I also have a rubber mallet for door skin reassembly. And I have a selection of small screwdrivers and pry bars. A small pry bar here. I have an angled pick, a very small flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a very large flat blade screwdriver, and of course my magnetic tray for storage of any of the bolts we take out during disassembly. These are the tools and supplies required in order to properly change your interior door handle.